And let's address the elephant in the room, man. TV Whitespace has had its share of warts over the years. It's been a long time coming. You've had a lot of predecessors really trying to get traction. You've seen form factor, you've seen price be an issue, and a lot of your predecessors have what I would say failed to deliver a solution that the market is going to embrace. Some service providers that we have as customers have even abandoned the technology altogether. So, without naming names, where do you think your predecessors have failed? Where do you think they've been flawed? And why should people pay attention to TV Whitespace now with RADWIN?
Yeah, so I'm gonna address that in the reverse. I'm gonna say that addressing it with RADWIN based on how we put together some processes and tools is where we feel, as I've mentioned, the benefits of TV Whitespace and that spectrum and where they fit. It's a challenging spectrum. It truly, truly is. And we've had some of our other, competitors go out and try to roll it out without, in our opinion, doing the due diligence and understanding what the spectrum you really can do, what the availability of the channels, and not only availability, but the usability of the channels, two very different terms that, I'm sure we'll talk about and dive into a little bit further. Yep. But overall, I think it's been the process and the planning that has been a little bit lacking in not understanding the true challenges of the spectrum and trying to roll it out without really having a clear view of where you're rolling it out, spectrum availability, spectrum usability, and the tools and the processes to really deploy it effectively, efficiently, is where I think we are going to exceed and be able to provide. And I do agree, it's given TV Whitespace a black eye, a negative name, and we really feel that based on the tools that we have put together, the process that we have put together, from desktop planning to evaluation, to channel availability, to spectrum analysis, to deployment, to the process of making sure this is a viable option for XYZ tower in this area, we've really put together a phenomenal group of tools and processes that I think are going to be a differentiator for us to really say, oh, you know what? TV Whitespace with RADWIN, it truly is a viable alternative or a viable option for rolling out fixed wireless access.